Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to mute Discord on OBS. So let's go to the Discord first. After going to Discord, you have to click on the settings, user settings, and then scroll down till you find streamer mode. This one, click on streamer mode and make sure your enable streamer mode, which is should be turned on. Okay, make sure turn this on and scroll down, then you'll find here disable sounds, which should be turned on. Disable notification, this should be turned on. These three should be turned on and these two should be turned off. Okay, after that you can go to ESC and go to your uh, OBS studio, and then you'll find here this Discord option, which is here. You can record it. You have to, if you want to mute Discord, you have to just scroll the you have to put your mouse on here. You can, and you have to make it disable like this. Okay, if you enable like this, it will sound will be loud, and if you fluctuate like this, then your disable Discord will be disabled. Now you cannot hear anything from Discord, or Discord cannot hear anything from you. Okay, so this is how you can mute Discord in OBS. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.